Meanwhile, you have Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has lashed out at Rahul Gandhi's speech abroad, says he's insulted Devi Devtas on the international platform. Listen in.
कांग्रेस का जो शाही परिवार है, उसके वारिस ने हाल में विदेश में जाकर क्या कहा है, ये आपने भी सुना होगा। वो कहते हैं हमारे देवी देवता भगवान नहीं है। हिंदू धर्म में गांव-गांव में देवियों को, देवताओं को पूजने की परंपरा है। क्या आप उनकी बातों से सहमत हैं? आप सहमत हैं? क्या ये हमारे देवताओं का अपमान है कि नहीं है? और ऐसा अपमान करने वालों को सजा मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए?
Cutting to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live for more on that. Aishwarya, Rahul Gandhi's foreign trip still continues to create headlines. In fact, in the latest, JP Nadda has written to Mallikarjun Kharge on the series of statements made by Rahul Gandhi in a way to say that your allegations against our leaders is false. Why don't you take a reality check, introspect first?
Well, it's a president versus president war that we are now seeing, Nabila. We are seeing on one side it was Mallikarjun Kharge who initially wrote a letter and asked the BJP that you need to be mindful about the way people talk about Rahul Gandhi. And now we are seeing in return, it is JP Nadda who's written a letter. So a president versus president war is now unfolding. The BJP now saying that it is Rahul Gandhi and the Congress leaders, all that they do in the entire country, be it north, be it south, be it east, be it west, wherever Congress leaders go. And this is what, Nabila, let me tell you, the BJP is saying at the moment, wherever these leaders go, all that they do is that they give out statements which are against India, which are against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So we are seeing a tit for tat being played out, and both the parties very, very aggressive. BJP raising fingers at Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge raising fingers at BJP leaders. Nabila.
All right, thanks very much, Aishwarya, for joining us on that. But what really kicked off this storm? Rahul Gandhi's speech abroad while he spoke in the United States at a university. He spoke about religious freedom, particularly among the Sikhs in India, saying that in India, the Sikhs are always worried whether or not to wear a turban or a kada or even freely go to the Gurudwara, which was slammed and dismissed by the Sikhs, largely within the BJP in India. Here's what he said. Listen in.
The fight is about whether he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear his turban in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear a kada in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be able to go to Gurdwara. That's what the fight is about. And not just for him, for all religions.